If there's one thrilling challenge that the Commando School is famous for in the Indian Army, it is confidence training at the Lido tank.
Basically, Lido is just a Spanish word for an outdoor pool. The main concept of Lido comes into play keeping in mind the fear of heights.
This test is divided into two challenges. The first challenge, the commando slide. The commandos have to slide down from a 30 feet high platform with their body in a perfect L position. Challenge 2. This challenge has 3 parts. Part 1, the confidence walk. They have to walk across a 1 foot wide beam suspended 50 feet above the Lido tank. Part 2, monkey crawl. With the commando's hands still slippery from the swim, they have to get to the middle of a rope suspended 55 feet above the tank. Part 3, the Lido jump. The commandos must make their bodies into a perfect arrow, ask permission to jump, and at the sound of a gunshot, pierce the water below. The smaller the splash, the better the jump. If they fail the final test in the last week of the course, they may not pass the course. From day 3, they better put their best foot forward.
Commando Nishan start.
For Commando Nishan, this is familiar territory. What might seem like a slide in a water park is an extremely important test to build the confidence of our commandos so that they get to the do-or-die spirit that commandos are famous for.